Hey!
Hey everybody!
Hi, I'm Luke, this is Ben, and this is Caleb. We are the Black Hat Brothers.
Today we've got something a little bit different for you. Doing a collaborative Last to Leave challenge and our first ever Wager Wars episode. We've got some blindfolded trick shots for you today. Tell it to you that easy. We have created a giant riddle.
And try